Most people don't realize it, but what you eat in Ramadan can either make or break your Ramadan experience. Eat the wrong foods and your body suffers. Low energy, dehydration, headaches, and constant fatigue. But eat the right foods, and you unlock maximum energy, hydration, and laser-sharp focus. AI has analyzed the best fasting nutrition strategies, and this is the ultimate Ramadan meal plan, ranked for peak performance. Are you ready to eat smarter, feel stronger, and make this Ramadan your most powerful yet? During fasting, your body goes through 4 key stages. First few hours, it burns stored glucose for energy. Midday, it switches to fat-burning mode, which is great for weight loss. Late afternoon, water and minerals drop, leading to dehydration, headaches, and brain fog. Iftar, your body enters absorption mode, but only if you eat the right foods. Many people make the mistake of eating heavy, fried foods, which lead to energy crashes and bloating. The solution? Smart nutrition that keeps you strong, focused, and hydrated. For maximum energy, eat these top Sehri foods. Oats or whole wheat bread provide slow energy release. Eggs, yogurt, or cottage cheese offer high protein to keep you full longer. Olive oil, avocado, and almonds provide healthy fats to prevent energy crashes. Bananas and dates give natural sugars to support brain function. Water or herbal tea helps prevent dehydration. Avoid salty foods, which increase dehydration, and white bread or sugary cereals, which cause energy crashes. For the best results, drizzle olive oil on eggs or bread, or eat a handful of almonds for steady energy. An ideal Sehri meal is oats, eggs, almonds, banana, and water. Break your fast the right way for instant energy and hydration. Start with dates for quick sugar replenishment. Drink water, but sip slowly instead of chugging. Eat hydrating fruits like oranges, watermelon, or grapes. A teaspoon of honey absorbs instantly and provides a natural energy boost. After breaking your fast, wait 5-10 minutes before your main meal. Use this time to pray Maghrib, helping your body adjust, preventing overeating and improving digestion. For your main iftar meal, choose lean proteins like chicken or fish, which digest easily. Rice or sweet potatoes release energy slowly, keeping you fueled for longer. Vegetables like cucumber, spinach, and tomatoes provide hydration and essential vitamins. Adding a spoon of olive oil or a handful of walnuts supports digestion, brain function, and steady energy, helping you stay focused during Taraweeh and Quran recitation. Avoid fried foods, which slow digestion, sodas that spike insulin levels, and heavy creamy dishes that cause sluggishness. Before bed, choose light snacks that won't disrupt your sleep or your Sehri appetite. Milk or Laban hydrates and relaxes digestion. Whole wheat bread with peanut butter or light cheese provides steady energy without being heavy. For something sweet, add a small amount of honey or low-sugar jam. You can also have a few raisins, dried figs, a small piece of dried coconut, or dark chocolate with at least 85% cocoa if tolerated. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water before bed to stay hydrated for Sehri. Your body is a machine. Fuel it right, and it will perform at peak energy. Ramadan is more than food, but eating smart helps you focus, worship better, and feel amazing. What is your go-to fasting food? Share it in the comments. Subscribe for AI-powered, science-backed religious analysis.